Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about whether you can play Valorant on Linux. The short answer is no. This is because of Riot's anti-cheat system called Vanguard. Vanguard is a kernel-level anti-cheat tool that works very deeply with Windows. Its job is to make sure the game is not being tampered with or run in ways that could give players an unfair advantage. This deep integration with Windows means that Linux users cannot run Valorant in a normal way. Even tools like Wine or Proton, which are often used to run Windows games on Linux, do not work here because Vanguard blocks them. However, there are some alternative methods that people have tried if they really want to run Valorant while still using Linux. These methods are not official and can take more effort, but they exist. The first option is to set up a dual boot system. This means installing both Linux and Windows on your computer. When you want to play Valorant, you simply restart your system and boot into Windows. This way, you are running the game in the environment it was designed for, and you get the best performance. The downside is that you need to restart your computer every time you want to switch between Linux and Windows. The second option is to use a virtual machine with GPU pass-through. This method allows you to stay in Linux while running Windows inside a virtual machine. It uses the GPU to give better graphics performance. So while it is technically possible to play Valorant while using Linux, it is not simple and not the best experience. Thanks for watching.